So let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready? Are you all
Yes,
ready?
ma'am.
Yes or no? Need a big
Yes,
guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
So interested. I need a big guess. Then only I'll start. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. Okay. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Okay. First, I'm going to draw something for you. Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to tell me what is this picture
Okay, ma'am.
or what I'm drawing.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
I'm going to draw a line like this. What is this? Any idea?
Line. Line.
Okay.
Axis.
What about these lines?
Ma'am. A straight line. Sleeping line.
Very good.
Horizontal
These
line.
are the standing lines, right?
Horizontal line.
Yeah, the standing lines and sleeping lines. Very good. These are the standing and sleeping lines, right? Now,
Yes.
they have another name, like these are the vertical lines and very good. Very good. So that's clear. Okay. Just a minute. All of you please stand up. We are going to do something. Okay. Yeah. Please stand up. Yeah. And draw a line using your body. Okay. I need a vertical line. I need a vertical line. Like this, right? Yeah. Yes or no? This is a vertical line. Yes?
Yes.
Again, I need a horizontal line using your body. Yes? How to draw a line using your body? No, Zeba. Like this, right? From this left side to right. Yes? These are the horizontal lines. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Long vertical lines, right? We have long vertical lines and sleeping lines. These sleeping lines we call as horizontal lines. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes,
We
ma'am.
have these vertical lines and horizontal lines. Yes, you can settle down. Okay, please sit down. Okay. Have you ever seen these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe? Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen any lines on the globe?
No.
No? Okay, so please refer. Okay?
Yeah,
This
ma'am.
is a task for you. Please refer.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Again, I'm going to draw something. Okay?
Ma'am.
It is like a drawing class, right? I'm going to draw something for you, only for you. Okay? Just imagine the circle. Who's that? Yes.
Because of the shoes.
Okay, I'm going to draw something for you. This is not a circle, right? Yeah, I'll draw another circle for you. Okay, just imagine this as our earth. Okay, this is our earth. Fine. Okay, then I'm going to mark the directions. Any idea regarding the direction? Where is north? Bend it. Sorry, stain. Where is Stenin? Where is north? At the top or bottom?
Top.
Very good. Top. So what about south? Just opposite to north, that is south, right? Like this.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is our north pole and this is our south pole. Is that clear, my dears? Okay, then I'm going to draw a line here. Okay, I'm going to divide our earth into two pieces using this line. Yeah, I'm using this line to divide our earth into two pieces. Is this a horizontal line or a vertical line, Bandit?
And this is a horizontal line.
Very good. This is a horizontal line, right? This is a horizontal line. We call it as equator. What is it? Bandit, what is it? Okay. Rayan, what is this horizontal line called?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Here we are discussing about the vertical and horizontal lines. Okay. Here this line is a horizontal line, right? Vertical
Yes.
lines are the standing lines and horizontal lines are the sleeping lines. Yes or no, Rayan? Okay.
Yes.
Here this is a horizontal line. Here I'm using this horizontal line to divide our earth into two pieces. Yes or no? Yes, right?
Yes.
This line is called as equator. What is it?
Equator.
Equator. Very good. Okay. So this portion, okay, this area, we call it as northern hemisphere. What is it? Northern hemisphere. Okay. Hemisphere. And again, this portion is called as, any idea? Aiden. Yeah, Aiden. Are you there? Aiden?
Yes, ma'am.
This area is called as, please guess, Aiden. Aiden, is there any problem? Aiden, once again? No? Okay, then for, yes, who's that?
Ma'am, South Pole.
Yeah, it's not southern, it's southern hemisphere, okay? We call it a southern hemisphere. What is it? Southern hemisphere, not southern, okay? It's southern. Clear, my dears? Okay, so this equator, we are using this equator to divide our earth into two horizontal halves. Two horizontal half. One is northern hemisphere. Another part, we call it as southern hemisphere. Is that clear, all of you? Is that clear for you? Okay. Suppose this is our earth. I'm going to draw a horizontal line like this. Okay. We get one part, we call it as northern hemisphere. And this part, we call it as southern hemisphere. Clear? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Very good. Then again, I'm going to draw our earth. Okay. This is our north side and this is our south, right? Yes or no? Yes. So I'm going to draw a line like this. I'm going to draw a line like this. Is this a vertical line or a horizontal line, Andrea Binu? Is this a horizontal line or a vertical line?
It is a vertical line.
Yes, vertical lines, right? This is a vertical line. Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, dear. Please wait. I'll show something for you. I have lots of pictures. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Andrea.
ma'am, my my cousin sister is learning about uh, this thing in social.
Okay. Dave, can you read this for me? What is equator?
Yes, ma'am. The equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into two horizontal halves.
Like this, right? 1,
Yeah.
2. This is equator. Actually, there is no line, right? We are imagine. It's just an imaginary line. Equator. Okay? Yes. Look, this is another topic for you. This is our earth. Okay?
Ma'am, Rahul is drawing on the board.
No problem. Look here,
drawing on the
my dears, all of you, look here. Okay, yes. I'm going to draw certain lines like this. Okay. These are the long lines, like the vertical lines, right? Yes or no? The long lines, the standing lines. Yes? We call it as longitudes. What is it?
Longitude.
Yes. The long lines. It's already here, right? Look, long. These long lines, right? Long lines, we call it as longitudes. What is horizontal lines? What about this horizontal lines? We call it as latitudes.
Latitude.
Okay. So long lines are called as longitudes and horizontal lines are called as latitudes. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes,
Anandita.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So equator is a latitude or longitude, Anandita? Equator is a latitude or longitude.
Latitude.
Very good. Equator is a latitude, right? Because equator is the horizontal line. So horizontal lines are the latitudes. Very good, my dear. Very good. Okay. Yes. This is a perfect picture for you. Nobin, are you there? Just a minute. Yeah. Nobin?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, what all things you can observe here? What all things are here? Can you read all the names?
Yes, ma'am.
Rayan, please stop it. Read here.
North Pole, South
Very
Pole,
good.
Equator.
Ryan Harris.
Very good. Anything else?
Prime median.
Yes, look here. This is another term, right? A new word for you. Prime meridian. Okay. So prime meridian is a longitude, right? The long lines are here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So equator is a latitude and prime meridian is the longitude. Here, look, my dears. I'm going to write something. What is this? Anyone? Anyone can read this.
Numbers.
Numbers, right? So how to read this? Any idea? How to read this?
Ma'am, 9%.
Sorry?
2 degrees.
Yes, yes, it's 2 degree, right? It's 2 degree. Okay.
2
This is the right way to read. So what about this one?
3 degrees.
3 degree.
Very good, my dears. What is this?
9 degrees.
9 degree.
90 degree. Very good. Then I'm increasing the values. Okay. What is this?
880 degree.
180 degree, right? 180 degree. Look here, my dears. Here we have 0 degree, right? 0 degree line. We call it as prime meridian. We call it as prime meridian.
Meridian.
Ma'am,
What
that
about this
means
value?
it is hot.
Look here. We have 180 degree.
180
Just
degree.
opposite to 0 degree. Yes or no? All of you, please mute your voices. Please look. Here we have 0 degree. We call it as prime meridian. Just opposite to the 0 degree, we have 180 degree. Right there? Yes, we call it as 180 degree meridian. So we
Ma'am, 180 degree is the biggest degree.
look here, my dear. Look here. We have 0 degree and 180 degree. 0 degree, we call it as prime meridian. And 180 degree, we call it as 180 degree meridian. Is that clear?
Ma'am, Kulbi Mohammed is drawing on the board.
No problem. All of you, my dears, you all are good students, right? Please mute your voices. Please mute. Okay, is that clear for you?
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
we learned about latitudes. Latitude means These lines, the horizontal ones.
Horizontal
Longitude means the long lines. We call it as
vertical.
longitudes, right? So this prime meridian, that is a longitude, and equator is a latitude. That's here. Yes. All of you please take your rough book. You are going to draw something, okay? All of you take your rough book. Make it fast, okay? No need of compass, scale, razor and all, just pencil. That's it, okay?
Ma'am, what we have to do?
All of you, please take your rough book. We are going to something. Sorry, you are going to draw something. Okay, ready?
Ma'am, what we want to do?
Yes, yes. We are going to do something. Yes. Look here. Just draw a circle using your hand, okay? No need of compass. Just draw a circle like this. Make it fast, okay? Don't waste our time. Just mark the North Pole and South Pole. North and South. Please mark. Okay. Then draw a line like this and write equator. Write the name there. We call this line, this horizontal line, the sleeping line, we call it as equator. We call it as equator. Okay. And this portion is known as northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Hemisphere means two equal parts. Okay. Hemisphere. The two equal parts, we call it as hemisphere. And this portion, we call it as southern hemisphere. It's not southern. Okay. It's southern hemisphere. Hemisphere means two equal parts. Clear?
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, sure. Okay. And just give the heading latitude. Latitudes. Latitudes. So equator is a latitude because we know latitudes are the horizontal lines. Finish? Rayan Harris.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Finish,
I'm
right?
finished. I'm not.
Rayan, no problem. No problem, Rayan. It's okay. Yeah. No problem.
I'm finished.
Naughty sister, right, Rayan? Yeah? No problem. Okay.
Mom, not finished. I'm finished. Finished.
Yes, yes. Okay. Make it fast, okay? What's her name, Rayan? Rayan Harris?
I see.
I see. Okay. Finished? Make it fast, okay? Yeah, I'm going to change.
I'm finished.
Very good. Show me. Before that, please show me, my dears. Yeah, please show me. Yeah. I hope you all like this drawing. Yes. Really nice. Kazina, really nice. Yeah. Amrin and all. Yeah. Nandida. Yes. Ardra,
Thank you,
Rayan,
ma'am.
Dan. Very good. Andrea, Muhammad Khan, Nobin, Dave. Wow. Aiden, nice. Adishankar, great. Bandit. Wow. Nice. Okay. Meha, very good. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Please close your rough book. Okay. Again, I'm going to draw something. Okay. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we need to draw
No, no,
that
no. You need not draw. What is these lines called?
vertical line.
Vertical line.
Oh, is this a latitude or longitude? Longitudes. Very good. Because these are the long standing lines, right? Long.
Yes.
Longitudes. Yes. What about this one?
Latitude.
Very good. Latitude.
Latitude.
Yes, yes. You're right. Latitudes. Look, my dears. These latitudes and longitudes are intersecting at certain points. Yes or no? They are meeting. Yes?
Yes.
These latitudes and longitudes are meeting at certain points. Yeah? Look, we all are friends, right? Yeah? One day we will definitely meet together. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, our latitudes and longitudes also meet at a particular point. We call it as coordinate. We call it as coordinate. Right? Yeah. Clear. These latitudes and longitudes, they meet. They intersect together. We call it as coordinate. Okay. We use these coordinates to locate any place on the earth. You can search. Okay. You can search in Google. Coordinates of Taj Mahal. Coordinates of Mala. Coordinates of Kerala. You will get lots of values.
Ma'am, we can
use
search coordinate of Earth.
No, coordinates of Taj Mahal. This is the task for you. Okay. Just search coordinates of Taj Mahal. You will get some values. One value for latitude, one value for longitude. Means these are the values, they meet together. Okay, so we can use this coordinates to locate any place. Any place. Okay, we can use this coordinates to locate any place in this world. It's easy, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so any idea regarding continents? Just raise your hands, okay?
No.
Not coordinates. I'm asking about continents. I'll give a clue. Asia. Any idea?
Guess
Okay, Amrin. Others, please mute. Amrin. Yeah. You can tell me.
Continents
are very large.
Very good. Continent simply means the large landmass. Just check the globe. Okay, you can see lots of masses, the land masses with different colors, red, pink, orange and all. Yeah, Nia, can anyone show me a globe?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I need a globe. Okay, yeah, Jovial. All of you, listen here. Yeah, Jovial, look, here we have some colors, right? The large masses. Just rotate it, Jovial. Slowly, okay? Just slowly. Yeah. You can see Australia in pink color. Look, yes. We have North America. We have Asia. Look, yes. All these are the large land masses. All these are the large land masses.
South America.
Yes. Very good. So look, simply this continents means large land masses we call as continents. How many continents we have? Any idea? Yeah, Neha, it's there. Yeah. 7 continents. Yes. Very good. 7 continents. Can anyone list all these continents? One by one.
Asia.
Very good. Just a minute. All of you.
North America,
listen.
Antarctica,
Just a minute.
Australia.
Yeah, just a minute. Yes. Do you have any idea regarding our continent?
No. Ma'am. Asia.
Look, Asia is
Yeah.
our continent. Yes. Then we have Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. I'll show you. Okay. Don't worry. We have 7 continents. How many continents?
Seven
Seven
continents.
Please read. All of you, please read. You can read. Yes.
Europe, Antarctica,
Yes. My dears, look. So, which is the largest continent? It's clear in this picture. Which is the largest continent? Asia. Very good. Wow, it's a great news, right? Our continent is the largest continent, Asia. So, what about the smallest continent?
Ma'am,
Very good. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Smallest continent. So, look here, my dears. Yeah. So largest continent, that is Asia. Smallest continent, that is Australia. But look here, something in white color. What is this? Any idea? Antarctica? Any idea? Actually, this Antarctica is mostly covered with ice. Mostly covered with ice. Near to the South Pole, right? Yes or no? Here we have South, right? South Pole is here. Yeah? So this Antarctica is near to the South Pole and mostly covered with ice. Like this, right? Yeah? Very cold. Yeah? Mostly covered with ice. Yes or no? That is Antarctica. All of you please list. We have Asia,
Asia,
Africa,
America,
North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Very good. All of you? Yeah. Mute yourself, my dears. Yes. Asia, these are the 7 continents. Please mute, my dears. All of you, please mute. Otherwise, I will mute. Okay, which one you want? Please mute yourself.
Australia.
Listen carefully. Look, we have 7 continents. First is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. And Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. So what is the speciality of this Antarctica?
It is called
Yes, mostly covered with ice. Very
Covered
good.
with ice.
Okay. So all of you
covered
please
with
mute
ice.
yourself. Jovial. Others please mute. Jovial. Please read all these 7 continents, the names, please.
Asia,
Hmm.
Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia.
Very good. Okay. I'm going to call your name. Is that clear, my dears? Okay. So for the next class, please learn this latitudes and longitudes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. I hope it's
you,
clear
ma'am.
to
This
you,
is
right?
next class. Bye.
Yeah, this is 4C. Okay,
ma'am.
bye-bye. Take care. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.